In this video, I'll show you how to use ArbiSource's Restriction Tracker to monitor which brands you can sell, discover newly ungated opportunities, and identify restricted brands that may be worth getting ungated for. Restriction Tracker regularly checks your Amazon selling account and automatically attempts to ungate you whenever it checks a restricted brand. When you first open Restriction Tracker, click the button to begin your initial check. ArbiSource will work through the brands we currently track and determine whether your selling account is restricted or ungated for each one. We specifically track brands that ArbiSource has matched to retail products. This makes the list much more useful by removing the majority of private label brands and focusing on brands for which we have found genuine sourcing opportunities. The initial check may take some time, but you can leave the page while it runs. ArbiSource will continue processing it in the background, and you'll receive an email report when it has finished. Once your results are available, the panels at the top provide a quick overview of your account. Brands Tracked shows every brand currently being monitored. Currently Ungated shows the brands you can sell right now. Currently Restricted shows the brands for which Amazon is currently preventing you from listing. And Ungated by ArbiSource shows the number of brands that became available after ArbiSource attempted to ungate you. Each panel is clickable, so you can use them to quickly switch between the different groups of brands. One of the most useful areas is the list of brands that were ungated during the previous check. This makes it easy to spot new selling opportunities without searching through your entire brand list. ArbiSource automatically rechecks restricted and newly discovered brands every 7 days. You'll also receive an email when additional brands become ungated, so you don't have to remember to keep checking manually. If your account is eligible to sell thousands of brands, the search, filters, and sorting options help you narrow the list down to brands you're most likely to be interested in. You can search for a specific brand by name or use the additional filters to find stronger opportunities. The Results filter represents the number of currently profitable vault results we have for that brand. Increasing the minimum helps remove brands for which ArbiSource currently has few or no profitable opportunities. Average Sellers shows the average number of sellers found across the brand's listings. This can help you remove brands with very low seller counts, which may be private label, tightly controlled, or otherwise less suitable for third-party sellers. Average BSR percentage can help you focus on brands whose products generally rank more strongly within their categories. A lower percentage indicates a stronger sales rank and higher sales. You can also select which Amazon categories you're interested in and quickly select or deselect all categories. The Sort By control lets you prioritize brands using the information that matters most to you. For example, you could sort by the number of profitable results, average seller count, average BSR percentage, or how recently the brand was ungated. Your filters are saved automatically, so you won't need to set them again every time you visit the page or switch between restriction statuses. There are two particularly useful ways to use these tools. First, you can filter your newly ungated brands to find those with plenty of profitable results, healthy seller competition, and strong average sales ranks. This can help you quickly discover new brands to begin sourcing. Second, you can filter your currently restricted brands using the same data. If a restricted brand has plenty of profitable results and looks like a strong opportunity, it may be worth taking additional steps to apply for approval manually. This helps you spend your time applying for brands that could genuinely be valuable rather than choosing them at random. Clicking any brand takes you directly to its results in the ArbiSource Vault. From here, you can use the usual vault filters to assess its current sourcing opportunities in more detail. When you're finished, click Restriction Tracker at the top to return to your brand list without losing your saved filters. After the initial setup, Restriction Tracker runs automatically every 7 days. During every check, ArbiSource rechecks all restricted and newly matched brands and attempts to ungate your selling account. If any additional brands become ungated, we'll let you know by email. Your dashboard will then reflect your latest restriction status and highlight the brands ungated during the most recent run. Restriction Tracker gives you a continuously updated view of the brands you can and cannot sell, while helping you identify the opportunities most worth investigating. Use it to discover valuable brands you've recently become ungated in, quickly open their latest vault results, and identify promising restricted brands that may be worth applying for. To get started, open Restriction Tracker from your ArbiSource dashboard and run your first check.